5 American jobs AI will replace first.
If you work in the US, this list might scare you. Because AI is already replacing these 5 common American jobs.
And it's happening faster than anyone predicted.
"2025 has been a wake-up call.
Over 100,000 job losses already linked to AI this year alone.
If we look at the data provided by Goldman Sachs here, it's clear that Microsoft and McKinsey are aligned on the projected growth.
And the World Economic Forum all point to the same thing.
AI isn't coming for jobs someday, it's here now.
Targeting routine, repetitive, and rule-based work first.
Welcome back to Global Markets. Our analysis shows a significant upturn in the tech sector this quarter.
Yes, the data from Asia Pacific is particularly promising.
AI could displace 300 million jobs globally.
With the U.S. hit hard in white-collar and entry-level roles.
These are the current McKinsey estimates. We're looking at significant growth here.
And this projection holds even with the recent market volatility?
Yes, the data supports that outlook.
AI can already automate 57% of U.S. work hours.
But it's not all doom, Maine.
AI will create knee jobs too.
Today, we're counting down the
5 American jobs AI will replace first.
If your job is on this list, stick around to the end for what it says, for what you can do about it.
Coming in at number 5, East Asian female data entry clerks.
These roles involve manually inputting information into
Watch it. Hey, sorry. Let me get a hot dog, extra relish.
There are over 1.5 million administrative and data entry positions.
But AI tools like optical character recognition lenses
and automated data processing can handle
By focusing on these data entry efficiencies, we can unlock significant value across the entire portfolio, especially in the securities sector.
Projections show up to 7.5 million data entry. And admin jobs could vanish by 2027.
Companies are already switching.
And populate systems automatically.
Human error? Gone.
Cost? Slashed.
These apples look wonderful, right?
They are the freshest we've had all season. The peaches just came in this morning, too.
Many banks and healthcare providers have cut.
Data entry teams by 50 to 80% using AI in 2025.
Thank you for calling.
I understand your issue. Let me check that for you.
Yes, we can definitely help you with that.
All right, is there anything else I can assist you with today? Thank you for calling. Have a great afternoon.
So that should resolve the issue. We've reset the password and confirmed the order status. Is there anything else I can help you troubleshoot today?
I can't seem to get this configured correctly. It keeps timing out.
You need to update the firmware first. Let me show you how to access the menu here.
By 2025, inventory grill, and we're on track.
We are available 24 hours a day, in any language you require.
The team here in London is ready to assist you right now. We have analyzed your preferences and tailored a new service plan that we believe fits your needs perfectly.
Our primary focus this year is ensuring global economic stability and sustainable growth for all nations.
Yes, I'm still here. As I was saying, the refund won't process until the 15th. I apologize, but there's nothing else I can do right now.
As you can see, the restructuring saved us over $5 billion this quarter alone.
Truly remarkable. That exceeds all expectations.
AI costs pennies per interaction versus human wages.
In 2025, firms like Salesforce and their partners are leveraging these insights to achieve unprecedented growth.
Initiate Phase 2 rollout.
Confirmed. 5,000 agents now live.
Complex issues still go to humans, but basic ones? AI. Oh no.
We can offer you the premium package at a discounted rate if you sign up today.
Yes, Mr. Davis, I can confirm your appointment for Tuesday morning.
By switching today, you'll save up to 50%. And yes, that includes the free installation. When would you like us to schedule that?
We've helped dozens of companies like yours boost their efficiency by 40%. Let me show you how our platform can do the same for you.
Over 300,000 of these jobs in America.
We can adapt the script in real time based on their feedback. But how do we handle the objections regarding the timeline? We've accounted for that. We can shift resources immediately.
Here is your new watch, sir. It comes with a 5-year warranty.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful day.
No breaks, no burnout.
New analysis from the Dallas Fed and Goldman Sachs is flagging serious concerns in the telemarketing industry, pointing to a sharp economic decline.
Is highly exposed, with employment already declining sharply.
Everything appears to be in order now.
Excellent. This confirms our full compliance with regulations. Thank you for contacting customer support. Your estimated wait time is currently 0 seconds. How may I assist you today?
We can guarantee the lower rate for the first year.
If you look at the Q3 projections, the ROI is substantial.
Yes, I'm sending the contract over right now.
Surprised? Tech jobs aren't safe.
Microsoft and Anthropic research show the next generation of neural network architecture, demonstrating unprecedented breakthroughs in AI safety and capability.
Companies like Coinbase and Meta have
The Q3 numbers are incredible. That's a 40% boost directly from the AI integration.
Absolutely. The efficiency gains are undeniable.
If we look at the second point on this list here, the data suggests a significant shift in investor sentiment.
It's in the mainframe. We have less than a minute before total collapse.
Shut down the East servers now.
Draft responses, summarize docs, and automate workflows.
McKinsey says admin support is highly automatable.
The data compiled jointly points to a robust recovery exceeding initial expectations.
And the impact...
Massive displacement here. In 2025,
companies are deploying AI assistants that
Yes, I agree with that assessment. I'll update the spreadsheet and send it over now.
But history shows tech creates more jobs than it destroys. ATMs led to.
Globally, but creates 170 million new ones.
in AI management, ethics, data oversight, creative strategy.
Everything is going to be fine.
Thank you. What?
That sounds incredibly difficult.
Look at it this way instead. I see now.
Wait, check the schematics again. We need 3 more supports on the east side before the next pole. Move it!
Caucasian male nurses, African American female therapists, and South Asian male tradespeople are safest.
Which job surprised you most?
Oh, that's an easy one. Definitely the time I worked as a mascot.
Comment below, is yours on the list?
Stay tuned, stay live, like, and subscribe.